There's a device the size of a deck of cards that costs $50, runs on a Raspberry Pi Zero, and can silently map every Wi-Fi network around you while sitting inside your backpack like it's on a classified side quest. It logs devices, fingerprints manufacturers, captures handshakes, tracks GPS coordinates, probes for vulnerabilities, and generates full pen test reports automatically while you're just casually walking around pretending to look for conference rooms. This thing is called Bjorn. And honestly, it solves the single biggest problem with wireless recon, looking suspicious as hell. Because traditional wardriving genuinely makes you look like a movie hacker. You're walking around with a gaming laptop, giant Wi-Fi adapter, wires everywhere, sweating in public while pretending you're just checking emails. Brother, nobody's buying that performance. So the creator of Bjorn basically asked, what if wireless recon looked normal? And somehow, he cooked. The hardware is stupidly simple. Raspberry Pi Zero W, tiny GPS module, battery pack, SD card, maybe a 3D printed case if you're feeling luxurious. Total cost is around $50, which is insane considering enterprise wireless auditing gear costs thousands, while basically doing the same thing but with more blinking lights and emotional damage. What makes Bjorn different is that it's fully autonomous. Once you turn it on, you stop touching it completely. No terminal babysitting, no typing commands like you're in Mr. Robot. And the interface honestly has no business looking this good. It generates these clean dashboards showing network maps, heat maps, device breakdowns, vendor statistics, captured handshakes, all visualized in a way where even non-technical people immediately understand how cooked their wireless security is. Under the hood, Bjorn uses Kismet, which is basically the gold standard for wireless monitoring. Kismet can detect hidden SSIDs, rogue access points, probing devices, DAuth attacks, basically everything happening in the Wi-Fi dimension. The problem is raw Kismet output looks like alien tax forms. Bjorn takes all that complexity and turns it into a one-click operation, which is why security researchers love this thing so much. The GPS integration is honestly genius too. Bjorn doesn't just detect networks, it maps where they physically exist. So later, you can literally see where access points are strongest, where dead zones exist, where devices cluster together, where coverage is weakest. It's basically Google Maps, but for paranoia. And yes, it captures WPA handshakes automatically. Those are the authentication packets used for offline password cracking with Hashcat. The funniest part is Bjorn barely has to do anything aggressive, because devices constantly reconnect themselves. Phones wake up every 5 seconds like toddlers with separation anxiety. You leave Bjorn running in a coffee shop for an hour, and suddenly you've collected enough handshakes to start a collection. It also checks for WPS, which is one of the funniest router features ever invented. Manufacturers really said, what if instead of using secure passwords, we made an 8-digit PIN system from 2006? And somehow people still leave it enabled. Corporate environments are especially bad because there's always one guy who bought a random router from Best Buy and plugged it directly into company infrastructure like he's adding mods to a video game. The stealth factor is what makes Bjorn ridiculous for physical pen tests. You throw it in a backpack, walk around the target building pretending to look busy. Meanwhile, Bjorn is cataloging their entire wireless ecosystem like a robotic pigeon gathering intel for the government. No giant antennas, no suspicious laptop, no security guards staring directly into your soul. Just vibes. Battery life is around 8 to 10 hours too because the Pi Zero is insanely efficient. No screen, minimal processing, tiny footprint. You can literally leave this thing running all day at a conference, and by the end, you'll have mapped hundreds of networks and thousands of devices just from existing near people, which sounds dystopian now that I say it out loud. And building one is almost disappointingly easy. Flash Raspberry Pi OS, run the install script, connect the GPS pins correctly unless you enjoy debugging Linux for 6 consecutive hours, then throw it in a case. Some people 3D print sleek tactical enclosures, while others literally tape batteries onto the Pi like a garage-built cyberpunk artifact. Both somehow work. The Bjorn community is also completely unhinged in the best way possible. People added drone integrations for aerial wardriving because apparently walking wasn't efficient enough anymore. Others added solar panels, car mounts, directional antennas, weatherproof cases, fake battery bank disguises. Somebody definitely has one hidden inside a microwave right now. Obviously, don't use this on networks you don't own or have permission to test. Don't be the guy explaining to a judge that your Raspberry Pi was just feeling curious. Compared to stuff like the Wi-Fi Pineapple, Bjorn is way stealthier and way cheaper. The Pineapple is amazing for active attacks, but it also looks like military equipment. Bjorn looks like a portable charger your cousin bought at a gas station. And honestly, that's why security researchers are obsessed with it. It proves you don't need expensive gear to do serious wireless recon. Just a Pi Zero, a battery pack, and enough curiosity to accidentally build a surveillance device in your bedroom. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to figure out why my smart fridge has stronger Bluetooth security than most companies. If you like the way I break this stuff down and you actually want to learn hacking the right way, CyberFlow Academy isn't just another learning platform. We provide focused, advanced courses in key areas like website hacking, bug bounties, OSINT, reverse engineering, and more. Material that goes far beyond what can be taught on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll get another strike. You also gain access to our active and ambitious Discord community, where you can reach me directly whenever you need guidance. And listen, I know that cybersecurity evolves fast, so I have made a commitment to constantly update the material and add new courses. We already have 500 plus members learning, landing bounties, and applying these skills in the real world. So what are you waiting for? Join through the link in the description and use code CyberFlow50 to get a whopping 50% off, so hurry up.
You still stuck in tutorial hell? We got full courses step by step as well. Web hacking labs, real attack flow, not click here, actually break the code. Reverse engineering, crack moves inside, Gidra open, ego died. Bug bounty methods that actually scale. Find one vuln, that's grocery money mail. $29, that's it bro. Skill goes up, that's CyberFlow. Python for hackers, C plus Paint. Build your own tools like this, that own. New course dropping every month. No content drought, we stack it up. Private Discord, killers in chat. Stuck on a bug, we fixed that.